The Portamix Squid is the most advanced water doser in the world, and one of the biggest features is that it can receive updates after your purchase. Let's go over updating the Portamix Squid firmware on both Apple and Android devices. First, turn on the Squid by pressing the play/pause button. Next, make sure that both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your mobile device. Now press the Bluetooth button and mode buttons together. The device should now enter an access point mode. On your mobile device, find the Wi-Fi option labeled mixometer_Wi-Fi_manager. Open your mobile browser and go to the address 192.168.4.1. Now enter in your Wi-Fi service's SSID and password. Be sure you are connected to 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi and not a 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal. If you cannot find a suitable one, you can also use your phone's mobile hotspot feature. Upon connecting, the Squid will restart, and then you need to press the Bluetooth and mode buttons once again to initiate the update, if there is an update available. This process can take a couple of minutes to complete. Be sure you don't lose internet access during the update. After completion, you can check your new firmware by pressing the mode and mem buttons together, then navigating down to information. To be able to check what the current firmware version is, head to portamix.com/product/squid. For all future updates, the process is much quicker. Be sure you are in range of the Wi-Fi service you used previously, and then just press the Bluetooth and mode buttons together, and it should enter the update process on its own. Enjoy your accurate water dosing on your next mix. Portamix, mixing with the best.